You've made an enterprise decision to move your mail to a new solution, with the promise that all your Domino applications will be moved as well. By now, you've discovered that the commitment cannot be delivered. Your Domino applications continue to run critical aspects of your business, and their complexity prohibits a simple migration to the new platform. With these applications remaining within your business, you need a solution that aligns with the corporate strategy, including cloud and operational expenditure reduction. Many of your key Domino skills have become scarce. The criticality of the applications, however, remain high. HCL introduces HCL Advisor, a tool that will help you align your applications with business priorities. Analyzing your applications and their environment produces reports that deliver an outcome with a set of decisions, not just more data to review. By providing actionable advice and recommendations, a true strategy to retire, re-platform, modernize, or move the relevant applications into the cloud is achievable. The utilization dashboard metrics in HCL Advisor can be used to capacity plan, charge back, and prioritize high-value applications within the organization. HCL Advisor helps you align your Domino applications with your strategic business initiatives and deliver real business value regardless of your mail environment.